Holy shit, this is too exciting. In recent years, with the development of urban transportation, China has built many overpasses to reduce traffic congestion. Many of these overpasses are spectacular and complicated looking. Some of them are more exciting than roller coasters. Dense lanes of traffic crisscross the streets. One of the most iconic is the Huangjuewen Overpass in Chongqing, China. How complicated is it? If you look down from above, the overpass looks like an interlocking maze. It has 20 ramps in 8 directions and is 5 stories high. The highest point of the bridge is 37 meters above the ground. It's about the height of a 12-story building. The main line is 4 lanes in each direction at 60 kilometers per hour. The ramp speed is 40 kilometers per hour. The overpass is a transportation hub for all districts of Chongqing. Even if you use a navigation system, there's a good chance you'll go the wrong way. The bridge is a good test of a driver's sense of direction. But it's really not that complicated. When they built the bridge, they took a lot of things into account. Not only did they minimize the drop by circling upwards to increase the smoothness of the vehicles, and each ramp has only 2 diverging roads. The purpose is to allow drivers to better recognize the direction. Each direction is signposted. If you follow the signs, you'll be able to cross the bridge quickly. As the city grows more and more three-dimensional, overpasses are designed to accommodate such a huge amount of traffic. It's really good to improve the traffic congestion.